Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Takisha and today we are going to be doing an unboxing of hair from Stema Hair. So here is their packaging. Here's how the hair comes in. Very, very cute, purple, pink, and white. Super cute. I'm a girly girl, so I like stuff like this. And yeah, we're gonna be looking at the hair for the first time together, and I'll be giving you my first impressions and just showing you the hair, how it comes packaged, if it's shedding, if it's not shedding, if it's, you know, soft or not, yeah, that whole deal. So here we go. So here's how the hair is looking right now. They have like a little happy Halloween type thing in there, so that's cute. So I need to take this out. Alright, so here is the hair package, all up in this little plastic container. Okay, so the first thing that comes in this package is this cute little happy Halloween, I'm guessing trick or treat bag. This is super cute for the seasons, but Halloween is basically over now, so I don't really need it, but yeah. And it comes also with this like little slap bracelet thing. Let me show you guys how it works. It's supposed to be like, yeah. Oh, this is cute. So the next thing that comes in this package is this hair guide, and I feel like these things like need to come in every purchase of hair that you receive, because people don't really know how to take care of hair and they complain that like it's not acting right or it's not good hair when they don't really take care of it right. So these are a must. So I received 3 bundles, a 20, 22, and 24 inch. And they all come like in these little plastic baggies right here, and with a rubber band so like the hair doesn't crumple up when shipping. And yeah, let me open one. So this is the 24 inch. I received the 20 inch, a 22 inch, and the 24 inch. And here is the 24 inch. This is the longest bundle. And let me smell. Yeah, this hair has no type of smell to it, so if you are one of those people who are like smell sensitive, I don't think you should worry about this because it doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, so on me, this hair comes down to, oh, I need to step on something so y'all can see. So on me, this hair basically comes like right here on my hip, like right here. So super long, but I'm a girl who loves long bundles, so I don't care. Okay, it's very easy to get your fingers through these bundles. No shedding so far, so that's a good sign. No shedding. Oh, okay, so no shedding at all so far. And here are how the wefts are constructed. So they are really constructed well. You can see like there's no like random things like sticking out or anything. So looking at the wefts on the bundles that you receive, you can kind of tell like if the hair is gonna last you a long time or if it isn't. If the bundles are like really neatly sewn, like you're probably not gonna get as much shedding compared to wefts that are like that have hair sticking out and are all like kind of messy and sloppy and scraggly. So the construction of the wefts definitely is probably why like I'm not getting any type of shedding right now. So that's definitely another plus. Okay, I'm going to look at the other bundles. This is my 22 inch, getting no shedding. Yeah, no shedding, so that's a good sign again. The wefts are beautiful as before. Beautifully constructed. And let me open the other one. And for the 20 inch, let's see. Nope. No shedding whatsoever. yeah, no shedding, and the wefts are just as beautiful as the other ones. So check plus, check plus, check plus. So lastly, I received an 18-inch frontal, and it comes in this plastic baggie with the sticker and their logo on it. And it also comes in that mesh wig cap that like wigs usually come in, or frontals usually come in. So, oh, already I can see the mesh. The lace on this frontal is already tinted. It's like tinted like a medium or light brown. So that's always a plus, because you definitely won't have to do too much work to make the lace match with your skin tone if you're like darker like me. So that's amazing. I love that. And here is how the frontal is looking. This is just the basic 13 by 4 inch frontal, and you'll definitely need to pluck this, or else you're gonna look like you have like a wig head. I mean, if you like that look, okay, that's cool, but I definitely going to be plucking this. And so running my hair, oh, let me smell this. Yeah, smells like nothing, guys. That's great. Okay, so let me see if I'm getting any shedding. Nope. Wow, I'm getting no shedding on this frontal, and usually like frontals are going to shed, but yeah, no shedding. I'm actually pretty impressed, I'm not gonna lie. Usually you would think frontals would like shed somewhat, but as I'm running my fingers through it, I'm not getting any type of shedding. So wow. Okay, so with all 3 bundles and a frontal, I feel like you'll definitely have enough hair for a unit, because it's like already so thick. If you're that person who likes like the big hair, the big voluminous hair, 3 bundles and a frontal is definitely enough for you, because wow, it's super thick, super bouncy, full of life, and I am living for this. Yes. Look at that, look at that. I swear, I love body wave. I love everything about body wave hair. If you're like me who likes to have like a more natural look, then I think 2 bundles and a frontal will work for you. But I think I'm gonna go all out with the big hair this time and install all 3 bundles with the frontal. So my first impressions on this hair are really great ones. I was surprised that I got no shedding while I was running my fingers through all 3 bundles and the frontal. I received no shedding whatsoever. The hair did not come with any type of smell, so for those who are like crazy about that kind of thing, it comes with no smell. The bundles seem like they're true to length. I didn't measure them with a ruler or anything, but the 22 inch reaches up to where my hip is, and usually for 24 inches, that's where like it stops. And for the reference, I'm 5'3", so. And I'm also surprised at how full the hair is, like the 3 bundles and the frontal. This is really full. This is ridiculous. Like, it's crazy full. So I am super excited to play with this hair. I'm thinking of dyeing it, and because it's virgin hair, I know it's gonna lift pretty well and pretty quickly. Hey guys, so before I forget, I just wanted to pop in and tell you guys that Stema Hair is going to be having a huge sale on November 11th, 2018, and the hair on their website is going to be up to 50% off, plus free shipping. So make sure you go to stemahair.com and get you some discounted bundles, frontals, closures, lace front and full lace wigs. So make sure you don't miss out on this sale. So I'll be sure to list all that information for you guys down in the description. So if you guys want to see what I end up doing with this hair and any updates about how I'm liking the hair, is it shedding, is it not shedding, is it tangling, is it matting, or whatever, make sure that you subscribe and stay tuned, because I will be coming out with those videos very soon for you guys. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.